Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to this unboxing of the new Redcat Racing Ascent18 International Scout 2. Now, we're all probably familiar with the Ascent18 by now. Here is my Ascent18 with the Harley Designs cage on it and interior. But out of the box, it's really capable, but the body was always kind of lacking as far as scale looks. It might have been good for performance, but for scale trail, it just didn't look that great. And so now, Redcat has released the Ascent18 with the International Scout 2 body, just like its big brother, the Redcat Gen 8 Scout 2, and it is awesome looking. It's definitely a nice looking body for scale trailing or micro scale trailing. So really excited about this release. We should already know that the chassis or the platform Ascent18 should be very capable, because it is really capable out of the box. One of the most capable out of the box 18 scale crawlers I've ever had, and now it comes with a nice body. So here, let's take a look at the box. Once again, it does come with a 750 milliamp LiPo with a charger. It's got a 4 kg Metal Gear micro servo, and it's got a clipless body mount just like the Ascent18, where the front has a hinge or a hook where it swivels up, and the back has like a little twist lock. And if you're not familiar with the Ascent18 platform, it is a 1/18 scale rig. It's got 4-wheel drive, it runs on a brushed motor, and it's also got LED lights for this particular one, the Scout 2. I don't believe the Ascent18 had LED lights, but the Scout 2 does come with LED lights. The Ascent18 Scout 2 does come in 3 different colors. Here you can see the blue, which is what I got. You can see the orange color, and the last color is the green. Over here you can see the Ascent18 comes with the portal axles that we already know, and it's got ball bearings throughout. Here again, we can see the 3 different colors for the Ascent18 Scout 2. And here is the blue color that I picked, same as my Gen 8. The Gen 8, by the way, is, you know, a good value for the money. It's really capable for the price, and it's a good scale trail rig. I don't know why not many people run it, but it's not bad. It's actually not bad. Okay, you can see what's included in the package. The rig, the radio system, 2S LiPo battery, and the battery charger. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Help to cut the tape. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. Alright, let me cut the zip ties and free this rig, and we'll take a better look. Alright, first things first, let us take a look at what we have here. This looks like the instruction manual. Well, maybe not instruction manual, but yeah, it's an instruction manual. It's got just basic radio information and the charger right here. And it looks like it also comes with extra body posts. And here we have the radio. Go ahead and take a look at this. Alright, just like the first Ascent 18, the Scout 2, Ascent 18 Scout 2 comes with a Fly Sky radio. This should look very familiar. It is a Fly Sky system. So you've got your channel 3 right here. You've got channel 4 button right here. And you've also got your usual throttle and trim settings on this controller right here. Alright, here is the Ascent 18 Scout 2. You can see it's got that Swamper style tires. Compound feels pretty nice. It's got foams in it as well. These are glued on, so they're not bead locks, so you won't be able to remove them. But it would be nice to try these tires out with some bead locks, but in this case I don't think you'll be able to. It's got a hard plastic grille and bumper. Same with the rear. A little hard plastic insert right here. And the beautiful Scout 2 body. Let's take a close look at this. So it does come with cleared out windows. I remember the Gen 8 didn't, and I spent a lot of time kind of sanding away those windows just to get it clear. Well, with this Gen 18 or Scout 2, Ascent 18 Scout 2, you don't need to. And once again, really nice tires. I want to try these on beadlocks if I can. I might have to get a set of these. Alright, here you can see these are hard plastic taillights, which is nice because it looks like, yep, they have light buckets. You can actually light these up, so great for scale as well. So you got light buckets front and rear, which is awesome. Just like the Ascent 18, this is the way you take the body off. Just turn this little knob and slip right there. Ooh, it actually doesn't hold on. So usually on the Ascent 18 this thing actually hinges and stays on, but it looks like this one just removes completely. Alright, so let's take a look at the chassis here. It is a little different from the first Ascent 18. You'll notice that the chassis is actually longer, and you'll also notice the sliders here that didn't come with the Ascent 18. So the Scout 2 does come with the sliders. The Ascent 18 has like both side sliders. So let me take a look at the different chassis. Alright. So you kind of have to finagle off. There we go. Alright. So it's the same wheelbase as the first Ascent 18. But you can see here that the frame wheels are longer. So here's the difference in chassis. This is the Ascent 18 chassis right here. This is the Ascent 18 Scout 2 chassis. So you can see this extension right here. This is just to be able to mount the rear bumper for the larger body. You can see the sliders here are also different. The first Ascent 18 has these both side sliders, and these are like more like plates. So same motor, same battery, same ESC receiver combo. Everything else is the same. The axles are the same, the shocks are the same, just the sliders and the frame rails and the bumpers. Other than that, that is basically the gist of the Ascent 18 Scout 2. So same electronics as the Ascent 18, very smooth out of the box, actually pretty nice for RTR. The tires, they actually feel like a softer compound than the tires on the Ascent 18. So these Swampers feel a lot stickier than these Trepidor lookalikes on the Ascent 18. So I'm kind of liking this tire. but it is more narrow, so it's not as aggressive as this one right here. You can see the difference in width and difference in size as well. Here you can see the wheelbase is the same between the Ascent18 and the Ascent18 Scout 2. It's just significantly longer as far as the body is concerned. There. Let's see if I can give you guys a side-by-side look. Yeah, right there. So it's the size difference between the two. But I'll put a link to this in the description below, as well as this, as well as the link to Harley Design's cage. But all in all, I am pretty happy with this release and can't wait to get it out for a run. I mean, there's definitely a lot that I want to do to it. I totally want to scale this out, but really happy with this release, really excited about it. Look forward to doing more with it, and look forward to showing you guys what I eventually end up with when I work on it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Redcat Ascent18 Scout 2. Thanks for watching.